In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off sports notifications in Microsoft Edge quickly and easily. If you're getting too many sports alerts and want a cleaner browsing experience, this simple setting change will help you stop them in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Edge and go to the homepage. On the page, look for the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. This is usually found near the home feed or page customization area. Click that gear icon to open the page settings. Once the settings panel appears, look for the notification settings section. Under that area, you should see an option that says Manage. Click Manage to open the notification controls. Now you'll see a list of notification options. Find the setting labeled Get All Sports Notifications. This is the option that controls sports alerts in Edge. To turn them off, simply toggle that setting off. Once it's disabled, Edge should stop sending you sports notifications. That's really all there is to it. In just a few seconds, you've turned off sports notifications in Edge and reduced the number of alerts showing up in your browser. If you want a cleaner, less distracting experience, this is one of the easiest settings to adjust. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, browser tips, and simple tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.